Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to search and find a great low cap gems and great projects in general. So I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is strictly my opinions on the market. So don't take any of what I say as financial advice. Now, with that being said, you are going to need a couple of links to get started. So first off is CoinMarketCap. Okay, next up, we do have CoinMarketCal. Okay, then we do have DeFiSafety.com. And we do have coinsguides.org, a market cap calculator. So you're going to need these four links, and I'm going to leave them in the description. So don't worry, you're going to have all of these links in the description so you don't have to search for them in Google by yourself. So you can just click the links, open up, and get started. So what does a great project consist of? So obviously a team. Usually teams have to be a lot more transparent than some. Usually teams are not anonymous. If teams are anonymous, that could be a red flag. For example, PancakeSwap has an anonymous team, but it's still a great project and they're doing very well. But usually you have to search for projects who have, transparent teams. Obviously, they need a token with utility. If a token doesn't have utility, then there is no guarantee that it's going to get better and the project is going to get more attention and the token is going to be in demand. For example, the basic attention token really does nothing. It's just a token that you can earn by using their browser, I think, and it really has no utility. So a token like that doesn't have the demand, for example, like the token BNB has, because the BNB has a lot of utilities. Okay, so you get what I'm saying. Also, the project needs to have some goals. What the project is trying to do, why it's trying to do that, what problem is it solving, what real world use case does the project have. A lot of these things have to be answered on the website, in the interviews, everywhere you look for the project. You should try to find these things to get a better general understanding of the project's goals and their ambitions. Okay. Now, starting on CoinMarketCap. So, for example, you want to search for a low cap gems, and just by getting ready, preparing to make this video, I found two low cap gems, and one of them is on Binance. So I'm going to share them in this video, perhaps, and I'm going to do a breakdown for them. So yeah, what you do is you open up CoinMarketCap, you scroll down, you have a list of all the cryptos based on market cap. And just so you understand, market cap doesn't mean, for example, if you look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin's market cap is $889 billion. So roughly $900 billion, right? But that doesn't mean that there are $900 billion, real billion dollars in Bitcoin at the minute. So what the market cap is if you scroll over to market cap, you can get this description: the total market value of a cryptocurrency's circulating supply. So the total market value of a cryptocurrency's circulating supply. So what this means is they take the circulating supply and they take the price. So they multiply the price by the circulating supply and you get the market cap. So they multiply $47,400. They multiply that by the supply, which is 18,200,000, whatever the supply is, right? So this means that they multiply 47,000 by the circulating supply once again, which means that it is presumed that every Bitcoin in the circulating supply was bought at this price, $47,000, which is incorrect, because some Bitcoins were bought in at $1, $5, $1,000, $5,000, $300. So you get the idea, right? So this is not the real market cap, okay? This doesn't show the real money. Ethereum doesn't have $400 billion in it. I would say it has around 150 billion, you know? Bitcoin has around 300, $400 billion tops. Okay, the crypto market cap, the entire crypto market cap doesn't have $2 trillion in it. Okay, it's a lot less than that. I would say around $1 trillion would be would be the more realistic price. So this is just them pumping up the market cap so it seems bigger. Okay, Solana doesn't have 46 billion. Just because you multiply the current price by the supply doesn't mean that every coin in that supply was bought at the current price. So hopefully that just clarifies it a bit. I already spent 5 minutes on on the video, but that's really important to understand. Okay, now you go to filters. Okay, you click filters, you scroll down, click add filter, and you can really search by anything. So market cap, let's say $50 million market cap, from 0 to 50 million. You can, okay, 50 million market cap. You can do whatever you want here, market cap range, and then you click apply filter. So this is, for example, if you want to search for low cap gems, right? And you get all the low cap gems and you get them with the market cap below 50 million. Okay, you can add another filter, the circulating supply. So let's say we want not more than 1 billion circulating supply. You apply the filter and you get all the projects who have less than 1 billion circulating supply tokens with less than 50 million in market cap, and you just scroll through the projects. Now, obviously, there's going to be a lot of shitcoins in here, and you don't want to invest in every single one of them. So let's just choose AirSwap, for example. I don't know what this is. Never heard of this before, but you click on AirSwap. Okay, you have their website here on the left side. You have the market cap, 43 million. 150 million of tokens in circulating supply, total supply 500 million. Great. We're going to get their USD chart right now. Usually you scroll down to check what markets are they listed on. So they're listed on Binance. Okay, so that gives you confidence, right? If it's on Binance, great. If it's on Uniswap only and some, shit exchanges, then, probably don't invest in that because there's a lot more risk. Sometimes good projects will be listed only on smaller exchanges. That is a possibility, but usually look for something like KuCoin, Binance. Huobi is good. Gate.io is okay. So yeah, look for that. Now, here you can click on all and to see the longevity of the project. So it's been around since 2018, right? And the peak price was $70. Okay. Right now sitting at 28 cents. It's really run down right now, yeah. Okay, next up, what you want to do is scroll down over here, click read more, and read about the project. So if you'd like to know where to buy AirSwap, AirSwap describes itself as a decentralized peer-to-peer token trading network powered by Ethereum. AirSwap aims to make the buying and selling of the tokens secure, simple, without fees. Its mission is to empower people with global frictionless trade. AirSwap implements the swap protocol and currently has 3 products: Instant, Spaces, and Dex Index. So if you want to read into this project, you go to their website. Their website is linked on the left side on CoinMarketCap. So once you get into a website, you have to check the website itself, look at the team on the website, look at the roadmap, look how the website is built, because there can be websites that are built in 5 minutes by an app that builds your websites, right? That could be a red flag saying that this project can be a rug pull. Okay, learn about the technology, build, vote, chat. So, so I don't see, let's click learn then. Usually what you have is you have team, partnerships. Usually you have to check the partnerships. Some projects can lie about their partnerships, so you have to read online to confirm. Benefits, AirSwap, conduct, questions. So yeah, deployments, bounties, authors, protocols. So this is what you want to read into, right? You have to read everything about that. For example, I found a Vertcoin over here. So look at this website. It has sort of a mining system implemented. into its technology. So you basically download the miner and you mine, okay? But this website looks very simple. Created January 10th, 2014. Yes, it does have the longevity, no ICO, no airdrop, whatever. But if you go to, for example, a project like VeChain and look at their website, look how polished, how great. You can see the team straight away, transparent team. You can see their partners, investors, their roadmap, what they've been through already. It's really great. They really show everything on the website: products, services, solutions, home. And really, you have to learn why the project exists in the first place. What real world problem is it trying to solve, right? So for example, AirSwap. Okay, let's go to CoinMarketCal and check if it has any upcoming events. And if a project has upcoming events, that still doesn't guarantee that the project is legit, okay? Because projects can have fake events. Okay, for February 15th, Discord AMA. And here you have proof and source. You can click on these to see the proof of, yeah, here they have their tweet from Twitter. Join the AirSwap Discord on February 15th. So basically this is going to give you the proof. This is going to give you the source. If you click that, it will take you straight to Twitter where the proof was taken from, basically. Next up, you can go to DeFi Safety. Okay, so here you can search for the project that you're looking for, AirSwap Finance. So it doesn't have AirSwap Finance. It doesn't have all the projects, but it does have enough. You can filter them by the alphabetical order, and you can look for all the projects that you perhaps want to invest in and invest based on these reviews. So basically, if it's above 90, it's a pretty secure project, okay? Uh, so yeah, this is a great Alchemix. You can look through their review, and they have security testing, documentation, code, and team access controls. Pretty much everything is reviewed over here. So this is really a great website. So check CoinMarketCal, check overall score, check the website, okay? Check the Twitter of the devs and the creators. Check them perhaps in any other social medias you can find them in, okay? And obviously look at the circulating supply. If the total supply is like 10 billion coins and there's only 10 million coins in circulation, well, that's a red flag as well, because probably all the coins are in the devs' hands, right? And wallets, and they can dump the coins on you anytime, sell and dump the price, and you know, pretty much rug pull. And that's something that can happen as well. So you have to look at the circulating supply. I would choose projects who have more than 50% of the circulating supply out, right? So that's something to keep an eye on. Obviously, look at the longevity, how long the project has been alive for. Look at all the links that I gave you guys. These websites are going to help you tremendously. So yeah, don't invest in crap coins. That's the main takeaway here. You have to do your in-depth research. If there are no videos about the projects on YouTube, that could be a red flag as well. But once again, when I found Multivac MTV, I didn't find a lot of videos on Multivac on YouTube. I basically did my own research into them, found their interviews, and that's how I knew that that was a legit project, okay? And if you go to CoinMarketCap calculator, just so you know, the calculator is going to, for example, the current price is $50, right? And you want to enter the circulating supply. Let's say that's going to be 400,000 coins. So then its market cap is $20 million, okay? So this is helpful if you want to know what market cap a project is going to need to have in order to reach a certain price target, right? So yeah, I've been rambling on for quite too long. I do apologize, but really all of this is really helpful information, guys. Hopefully you can use this in the right ways. And yeah, so if you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. I'm going to be super excited to answer them. I always try to answer all the questions, guys, in the comments section. So that's pretty much it for me. Thank you for watching. I'm going to catch you in the next video. Goodbye and good night.